A gold IRA is a specialized type of individual retirement account. It allows you to invest in physical gold. This sets it apart from traditional IRAs that typically hold stocks and bonds. With a gold IRA, you own tangible gold assets. These are held securely in an IRS-approved depository. This can provide a sense of security for your retirement savings. Gold IRAs work similarly to traditional IRAs when it comes to contributions and distributions. You can make contributions with pre-tax dollars. Your investments grow tax-deferred. This means you don't pay taxes until retirement. Distributions in retirement are taxed as ordinary income. Many investors are turning to gold IRAs for portfolio diversification. They offer a hedge against economic uncertainty. Gold has historically held its value. It can be a safe haven during stock market volatility. Gold IRAs provide peace of mind. They offer a tangible asset backed by centuries of value. If you're looking for a way to diversify your retirement portfolio, a gold IRA is worth considering. Gold IRAs offer several key advantages for retirement savers. One significant benefit is diversification. By adding gold to your portfolio, you reduce your reliance on traditional assets. This can help mitigate losses during market downturns. Another advantage is gold's role as an inflation hedge. When inflation rises, the purchasing power of paper money decreases. Gold, however, tends to hold its value. It can even increase in value during inflationary periods. This helps protect your savings from erosion. Gold is also known for its stability. It has maintained its value for centuries. This makes it a reliable long-term investment. While its price can fluctuate in the short term, gold has consistently demonstrated its ability to weather economic storms. Finally, gold IRAs offer tax advantages. Your investments grow tax-deferred, just like traditional IRAs. This allows your money to compound faster. You only pay taxes when you withdraw funds in retirement. This can result in significant tax savings over the long run. There are many reputable companies that offer gold IRA services. Each has its own strengths and specialties. It's essential to research and compare providers before making a decision. Here are a few of the top companies in the industry. Augusta Precious Metals, known for its exceptional customer service and focus on transparency. Augusta specializes in precious metals IRAs. They offer personalized guidance throughout the process. GoldenCrest Metals, highly regarded for its educational resources and commitment to investor education. GoldenCrest provides a wide range of gold and silver products for IRAs. They have a team of specialists to assist investors. Birch Gold Group, a popular choice for its straightforward rollover process. Birch Gold Group makes it easy to transfer funds from existing retirement accounts to a gold IRA. They have a strong track record of customer satisfaction. Noble Gold Investments caters to both seasoned investors and those new to precious metals. IRAs. Noble Gold offers flexible investment options and low minimums. They prioritize customer education and provide ongoing support. Lear Capital, a well-established company with a long history in the precious metals industry. Lear Capital offers a diverse selection of gold and silver coins and bars for IRAs. They are known for their competitive pricing. See links to these and other recommended companies below the video. You can also get more information at our website at givemethegold.com. Section 4. Choosing the right provider. Selecting a gold IRA provider is an important decision. Thorough research and due diligence are crucial. Start by considering the company's reputation. Look for providers with a proven track record and positive customer reviews. Transparency is paramount. Choose a company that provides clear and concise fee schedules. Ensure you understand all costs associated with opening and maintaining your gold IRA. Responsive customer support is essential. You want a provider that is readily available to answer your questions. Look for companies with knowledgeable and helpful customer service representatives. Finally, consider the educational resources offered by the provider. Choose a company that provides comprehensive information about gold IRAs. They should offer helpful guides, articles, and videos. A commitment to investor education demonstrates the company's dedication to its clients' success. Section 5. Opening a gold IRA, a step-by-step guide. Opening a gold IRA is a straightforward process. By following these steps, you can easily establish your account and begin investing in gold. First, choose a custodian. A custodian is a financial institution that holds your gold IRA assets. They handle the administrative tasks associated with your account. Select a reputable custodian that specializes in self-directed IRAs. Next, fund your account. You can fund your gold IRA through a rollover or transfer from an existing retirement account or by making a direct contribution. Work with your chosen custodian to initiate the funding process. Then, purchase your metals. Once your account is funded, you can purchase gold and other eligible precious metals. Your custodian can connect you with reputable dealers. Ensure the metals you select meet IRS fineness requirements for inclusion in an IRA. Finally, store your metals. IRS regulations require that gold IRA assets be held in an approved depository. Your custodian can help you choose a secure storage facility for your precious metals. The depository will provide you with documentation verifying the storage of your assets. Section 6. Getting your free gold IRA kit. Many top gold IRA companies offer free kits to help you get started. These kits typically include a wealth of information about gold IRAs. They often feature educational materials, market insights, and company-specific details. Requesting a free gold IRA kit is a great way to learn more about this investment option. It allows you to explore the benefits at your own pace. The kit will provide valuable insights into the process of opening and managing a gold IRA. You can easily request a free kit online. Simply visit the websites of reputable gold IRA companies. Look for a prominent Get Your Free Kit button or link. Provide your contact information and the company will mail you the kit free of charge. These kits are valuable resources for anyone considering a gold IRA. They offer a comprehensive overview of this investment opportunity. Take advantage of this free resource to make an informed decision about your retirement savings. Section 7. Conclusion. Securing your future with gold. In an uncertain economic landscape, it's more important than ever to diversify your retirement portfolio. Gold IRAs offer a compelling solution. They provide stability, inflation protection, and tax advantages. By understanding the benefits of gold IRAs and the steps to open one, you can make informed decisions about your financial future. Take the time to research reputable providers. Request free gold IRA kits to gather valuable information. Remember, investing in your retirement is an investment in your future. With careful planning and a diversified approach, you can secure your financial well-being for years to come. Consider whether a gold IRA is right for you as you navigate the path to a comfortable and secure retirement. See links below the video now to explore some top gold IRA companies you can inquire to get free information kits now.
Hi, I'm Amelia from GiveMeTheGold.com. Picking the right precious metals company is important, so today we will go over 3 highly recommended companies from GiveMeTheGold.com. Our panel of experts have picked these companies based on reliability, customer service, and other factors. You can also see our complete list of companies and more information by going to our website at GiveMeTheGold.com. Our first recommendation is Augusta Precious Metals. They have been a trusted name in the precious metals industry since 2012. They are the top recommendation for accounts with $50,000 or more to invest. They combine their top education and white glove services to make it an all-around excellent experience for their investors. To get more information, visit easygoldinvestments.com or call them at 1-855-470-4636. Our next recommended company is GoldenCrest Metals. They are a standout choice for investors seeking to start the gold IRA journey with a minimum initial investment of only $10,000. GoldenCrest Metals has a customer's first approach and great guidance by their professionals to help you get started. Visit their website at goldencrest.info. Our last recommended company for today is Colonial Metals Group. Colonial Metals Group stands out for its competitive promotional offers designed to give investors added value when starting a gold IRA. They provide access to exclusive deals on precious metals and other perks for first-time clients, including a free safe. To get more information, visit freegoldkitnow.com. You can see all these links for your convenience underneath the video in the description. To see the extended list of all the company, visit the website at GiveMeTheGold.com. I'm Amelia from GiveMeTheGold.com. Wishing you the best in your financial endeavors, and thanks so much for watching.